clean up the oil or the decoctions. What is the connection between kunye, traditional massage, and traditional Tibetan medicine? Here it's quite clear. According to traditional Tibetan medicine, in general, the therapeutic method is divided in 4 different types. So first is therapeutic diet, and second is lifestyle factors, and third is medicine, herbal medicine, use of herbal medicine, and the fourth one is application of external therapies. In traditional Tibetan medicine, the external therapy includes like massage, acupuncture, moxibustion, bloodletting, compress, and so on. So there are many different types of external therapies. And kunye is one of these most important external therapy, and that's why it's mentioned in the Final Tantra of Tibetan medicine, and which is also mentioned in many commentary of for medical tantra. In the Tibetan medicine, all kind of pathology, we understand or we study the all kind of pathology according to the 3 humors. 3 humors are fundamental theory, and therefore, so also we see which kind of therapies for use to different type of humors, and therefore, according to the medical root tantra, so we see here for the wind humor we use the kunye, traditional massage, and the horme means Mongolian hot oil moxibustion, and then for the bile humor we see here bloodletting and the sweating therapy and the cold water therapy or hydrotherapy. And then for the phlegm we see one is moxibustion and hot compress. This is according to the medical root tantra. So here we see the kunye is mentioned as a number 1 external therapy, and the reason is when the humor, it's a very important. It's wind element is actually is the second element. First is the space, and second is the wind. So that is the motion energy, the movement energy, and it is a neutral energy. So we believe that all kind of imbalances of the energy, or also the imbalances of the physical body or mental imbalances, all these different kind of imbalances originate from the wind humor. Therefore, when the humor, to balance when the humor or to prevent when the humor, it's very fundamental. And that's why kunye is very good, one of the best therapy for pacifying this wind humor energy, and therefore we could say this kunye is very useful for preventing all kind of imbalances. Another topic is we see what is kunye and yoga relationship. Kunye is mentioned by many tantric yoga texts, because I think the ancient time, the ancient yogis, they saw the close connection between yoga and the ancient massage. And so because the kunye is one of most very gentle and energetic and very soft external therapy compared to like acupuncture or moxibustion. Of course, in Tibetan medicine, in general, the external therapy is divided in 2 categories. One is called the rough therapies, rough external therapies, and one is soft external therapies. In this case, like cupping, bloodletting, or like moxibustion, all these are rough external therapies, and the kunye massage is one of the kunye, and compress, and the herbal bath therapy is a very soft therapy. And kunye, we could say, one of the most gentle or one of most soft therapy, and that's why it's very fits in the yoga tradition. Kunye is extremely effective for the healing the body, the energy, or the mind, or the spirit, and that's why in the yoga tradition they use a lot of this kunye massage or kunye therapy. In traditional Tibetan yogis, in many texts it mentions all the injuries of yoga, or sometimes like twisted the joints, or there's something like stretching too much, and this all kind of disorders coming from yoga, always cured by through the kunye. And so therefore we see the combination of yoga and kunye massage also, it's very important. And here we see there's some benefits of kunye. So kunye is effective for preventing the disease. This is very important. I already mentioned, because kunye has special effect on our energy and on our mind. So our mind and energies are root of all imbalances or all disease, and that's why if we can work very well with kunye, so there are more possibility to prevent all kind of disease, mental disorders or physical disorders, and so on. And of course, kunye also can cure like certain illnesses which arises from the energetic imbalances. So that means kunye can cure like energetic disturbance of wind energy, disturbance of bile energy, and disturbance of phlegm energy. In the kunye case, especially kunye is connected with the Tibetan medicine theory. Therefore, in Tibetan medicine, we have very precise points for the wind energy, or for points which can make very deeply relaxed people, and kunye especially applied for the specific areas or specific points, and therefore it gives more deep relaxation. Kunye performs on the points and channels, has important therapeutic effect. So in this case, kunye is more used for the specific kunye, or we can call it therapeutic kunye or specific kunye. So that means we use this type of massage for a specific disturbance. If somebody has insomnia, and we use specific kunye for specific oils or specific herbs and points for that problem. If somebody has bad digestion, and then we do specific kunye for that. If somebody has headache or other organs conditions. So in these cases, mainly we treated with kunye in different type of oils and herbs, and also different type of using the different type of points. And then the other things are like unblocking the energies, or improve circulation of the blood and energy, and all these things. Here we see what it is the history of kunye, historical text on kunye. I think this is important. We know